Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 218. Today, the title of the lesson is the difference between deal in and deal with. Yeah, because sometimes students might mix up these two. So let's take a look at the first note here. The verb phrase deal in means to buy, sell, or trade in something, like you're doing a business of some sort. That's what we mean by deal in. Uh, let's continue. We use the verb phrase deal with, especially with stories, books, articles, movies, etc., to mean to be about or be discussing. Now, of course, there's the other verb phrase, deal with, means like to handle or to try to deal like with a problem. That's actually even more common. But I'm not going over that here because that's not the use that gets confused with deal in. The use that gets confused with deal in is this one, when deal with actually means like to be about. So like if you say this story deals with this, or this article deals with this, means that it's about or discusses this. That's the meaning that might get confused with deal in. Okay, so let's continue here. Let's look at some of the examples. Of course, with the X, this would be wrong. You say he got arrested for dealing with drugs. So a student may say that. Now, of course, this definitely should be for dealing in drugs. With the check, this is correct. Basically means like he's doing business. He's buying or selling them. That's illegal, dealing in drugs. But you wouldn't say dealing with drugs here. All right. The second one, also, of course, with the X, that part is wrong. He deals with precious metals. You can buy gold coins from him. Again, this is doing business. So it shouldn't be deal with. He deals in precious metals. So if you're doing like a business or buying or selling or trading, that's deal in, not deal with. All right, let's take a look, a couple with the opposite way where a student may make a mistake. That movie, Brokeback Mountain, deals in a topic of a gay relationship between two cowboys. Now, again, this should not be deal in. This one should be deal with because it's about a topic. You're saying this is what the movie is about. This movie deals with this sort of topic. This is what's discussed. This is the subject matter of this movie. So that would be deal with, not deal in. Okay, and let's look at the last one here. That article deals in topics of political issues. No, again, remember, deal in means do business. They don't mean do business. They mean this is what it is about. This is what it discusses. So this article deals with topics of political issues, means it discusses this. This is what it's talking about. Yes. So that's where the problem comes in. So when sometimes students will mix in deal in, with business, and deal with when you're talking about what a topic is about or what it's discussing. Okay, so I hope that's clear. I hope you got it. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.